Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Markup Unscripted. Here you'll get a peek into frank banter from the world of marketing. First of all, thanks a lot for your overwhelming support on our first episode. Some of you guys had amazing suggestions, and we'll try to implement them one podcast at a time. So, without further ado, let's get this started. So I'm Pratishtha, and with me I have Harshit, Sahil, and Arihant for today's episode. And we will be chatting about brand placements in movies and shows. So I'd like to start with you, Harshit. When I talk about brand placement, सबसे पहला कौन सा मूवी आता है तेरे दिमाग में?
Pratishtha, for me, the first thing that strikes me about brand placement is कोई मिल गया में बॉर्नविटा का brand placement.
Yes, that's
I
it.
mean, वो इतनी आइकॉनिक है ना कि सबके जुबान पे किसी को भी बोल लो कोई मिल गया में कौन सी प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट हुई थी, सब बोलेंगे बॉर्नविटा. तन की शक्ति के लिए, मन की शक्ति के लिए बॉर्नविटा के लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, Rohit Mehra and Bonvita, it's a match made in heaven.
And actually, Harshit, just to say that उसका idea was very unique. I mean, I remember वो देखते देखते I think मेरी मम्मी भी मुझे कॉम्प्लान से बॉर्नविटा पे शिफ्ट करा गई थी. So I think if that was their strategy, bang on. But I think मेरे लिए the movie that I like, I don't know if you guys seen it, फिर हेरा फेरी में बाबू भैया gets this Domino's का pizza and he emphasizes वो 30 मिनट में आया नहीं तो free. And so that for me was
Yeah,
really, I mean,
it's actually a memorable scene. So I was recently at Domino's and they would not accept my payment for some reason. And my dad said कि तूने हेरा फेरी नहीं देखी है क्या? Just hide behind them and then you'll get your pizza for free. Yeah, so definitely these ads are really effective. Everyone actually remembers them.
No, I was just thinking about the Babu Bhaiya example, and it makes me think कि it's kind of so easy to place a product without letting out any suspicion that it is an ad or something, because even our lives are so intertwined with these brands that it's like it could actually happen in real life. Like it doesn't have to be a product placement even. So,
Right.
I mean, sometimes it is, but then sometimes it just might not be. So, but I've seen Coke in a lot of movies. I've seen it in Sopranos, in Donnie Darko. I mean, it's hard to remember a movie where I did not see Coke or some sort of a drink in it. So, yeah.
Yeah, I think you raise a very good point because now product placement has become very subtle, but it never used to be this way. I'm not sure if you guys have watched pretentious movie reviews. If you have, you would know about Parle G's placement in Abracadabra. They literally had flying Parle G and a gate made of Parle G and people dancing on Parle G while eating Parle G. So it was
वही तो ब्यूटी होती है ना.
it was
Actually,
not
ये सब
subtle at all.
सही
तो बोला था यार, यही तो खूबसूरती है ना प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट की. एक बार खाली आप ऐसा प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट कर लो, लोगों को सालों तक याद रहता है.
I don't know if you guys remember the movie मेरे डैड की मारुति.
Oh,
वो
yeah.
पूरी मूवी ही अर्टिगा पे बनी हुई थी. I was like, हाँ ये क्या सही गाड़ी है. And
Right.
it was very smart. I mean,
Yeah, it was
the car just
perfect.
launched.
Because when you think about dowry, you think about Maruti. So, matlab, it was perfect correlation. It goes with their brand personality also.
So, Sahil, actually, your car example remind me कि यार ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स ने अगर तुम लोग ने देखा होगा तो शेवरलेट कैमारो को कितना सुपरबली प्लेस किया था. आज भी मुझे याद है, अगर ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स की कोई भी कार उठा के देख लो, द फर्स्ट थिंग्स दैट स्ट्राइक्स मी कि भाई ये तो कैमारो है.
Bumblebee,
Yeah.
right?
Even I have two car examples. Like you can take Aston Martin or Italian Job. Italian Job, they show that what is that car? Mini Cooper. And
Ah, yes, I
remember
remember.
that fast robbery with those three cars. So yeah.
Yeah, so with these luxury cars, they actually try to portray what kind of a driver the brand has in their mind. So, because you'd never see an ad for Aston Martin, right? So, this is one way where they create a preference for their brand. So, has it ever actually happened to you guys that you don't realize that you're actually the target for that product and you somehow have actually ended up buying that product? ऐसा कहीं पे भी किसी मूवी में देखकर.
Happens all the time. The first time I smoked a cigarette, it was just after I watched Sanjay Dutt smoke it in some movie.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, this is reverse psychology. Smoking is injurious to health. Aryant is like, well, let me try it.
No, they did not tell me that. But then, see, I'll also tell you another story. Okay, so I'm in a train. Okay, and there's some guy smoking, and my mom is like making faces like, idiot guy is smoking in here and all that. But I'm doing the same thing. I'm saying, yeah, they're stupid. But inside my head, I'm thinking I have to try it. So that's not product placement, but see, we do that in our lives also. You do not call Maggie instant noodles or Yippee instant noodles. You call them Yippee and Maggie. You do that in. I mean, so basically, when you put that in a movie, so how do you differentiate if it is a product placement or just normal life?
That's a very good point. That's an amazing point. I never thought. I mean, now I have to consciously watch movies. You scarred me for life, Arihant.
See, you won't mind until and unless it is like it interferes with the story. As long as the product does not interfere with the story at all, you won't even notice it.
Right. This actually reminds me, have you guys watched 102 Not Out? It
Yeah.
is that movie with Amitabh Bachchan and Rishi Kapoor.
Rishi
So that movie beautifully placed Saregama Karwa. It did not interfere with the storyline, but Rishi Kapoor used to have this Karwa and he used to listen to music. So that's a nostalgia factor attached with it. And we actually ended up buying a Karwa after that because the movie helped us visualize how aesthetic that one device would look in any corner of our house. And it's a good way to revisit the simpler times. So that's how I think, yeah, product placement, how effectively it works and affects you. As in, you can visualize owning that product.
I love that example, and I have a question for you. So, how often do you use that now?
I actually don't, but I do not regret buying it.
That's the
मेरे को क्या लगता है कि सी इट हैज एन एडवांटेज कि ना इट एक्चुअली कीप्स एन इम्प्रेशन ऑन द कस्टमर्स माइंड. वो सालों तक याद रहता है. जैसे कोई मिल गया मैं यार बॉर्नविटा मुझे सालों तक याद है. मेरे को बॉर्नविटा नाम लेते ही वो चीज स्ट्राइक करता है. बट एक उसका एक डिसएडवांटेज भी होता है ना कि इट मतलब इट कीप्स इट रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स द कस्टमर टू अ व्यू. उसका व्यू रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है. अब जैसे बॉर्नविटा ही है, ठीक है, बॉर्नविटा से मेरा व्यू क्या रिस्ट्रिक्ट हुआ कि अच्छा वो रोहित वाला सीन है क्या, मतलब लंबे करने के लिए बॉर्नविटा है. जबकि बॉर्नविटा के और भी बहुत सारी चीज हैं. तो एक वो भी रिस्क रहता है. इट इज वेरी ओपन टू इंटरप्रिटेशन. तो वो भी चीज होता है. और प्लस सेकंड थिंग इज कि अगर आप इतना खर्चा कर रहे हो प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट में, इट माइट हैपन कि पीपल नोटिस ही नहीं करे अगर आपने परफेक्टली इसको प्लेस नहीं किया तो.
Yeah, I mean, image conscious. I mean, I think brands are as image conscious as actresses or actors or any other celebrities. So once you form an image, like you must have seen that movie Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. That guy is very conscious about like he gets only the roles for villains and all that. And once you form that image, you can take Prem Chopra for example. Once he becomes a villain, he becomes a villain for life. So it can happen, and it can happen to a brand also. Of course, it can happen.
Well, it's a great note to end on. Do let us know your views on product placement in the comments, or you can DM it to us at markup.imt on Instagram. Stay tuned for more such discussions, and our next episode will be out on next Sunday. This is us signing off.